Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the parabolic SAR indicator for live trading. First, let's take a look at my real trading account so you can see that I'm trading with a real balance, not a demo account. Now let's select the parabolic SAR indicator. Next, we'll choose the EUR CAD currency pair. As you can see, the parabolic SAR indicator is giving us a sell signal. So we'll place a sell trade. Now let me explain how the parabolic SAR indicator works. The parabolic SAR is a trend-following indicator that helps traders identify the direction of the market and potential trend. Reversals, when the dots appear above the candles, it usually indicates a bearish trend and suggests a sell opportunity. When the dots appear below the candles, it indicates a bullish trend and suggests a buy opportunity. This indicator works best in trending markets and helps traders find better entry and exit points. As you can see, our trade has now closed in profit and it's a winning trade. Earlier, we also placed another trade with a 15-minute expiration. Let's check that trade as well. The pair is AUD-USD, and as you can see, it stayed in the trend for a long time. Now this trade has also closed as a winning trade. If you want to receive daily trading signals like these, make sure to join our Telegram channel. The Telegram link is available in the description below.